Hey, it's Jo. So for today's video, we are going to eat japchae or japchae or whatever, kung ano man ang tawag dito ng mga Koreans, pero japchae. Koreans call this japchae, but McCormick called it japchae. So, yung noodles niya is made of sweet potato noodles. Yan, sweet potato yung noodles niya. And, may kasama na siyang sauce. Dinagdagan ko lang ng shiitake mushrooms na dried. Binabad ko siya for 1 hour para lumambot siya. And then may pork, may onion, tsaka may carrots. Yun na. And sobrang sarap niya. Tinikman namin ni Mudrakels. Actually, si Mudrakels ay lumalafang ng kanyang parte. Banda doon. And I am using my new mug na mas malaki pa sa mukha ko. And we'll be drinking Coke today. Not sponsored, pero malay natin. In the future, ma-sponsoran tayo ng Coca-Cola. Pero hindi mo lang masyadong mahilig sa soft drink kasi nga, nagkakape na ako, may caffeine na yun. So, refreshing. Ang tagal ko nang hindi umiinom ng soft drinks actually. Let's start. Excited na ako kasi natikman ko kanina tong shiitake mushroom. Sobrang sarap niya. Ganito yung itsura niya. Sa camera, hindi siya ganun ka-appealing. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura ng shiitake mushroom. Dried to. And mag-i-insert ako ng picture ng itsura ng dried tsaka nung binabad ko na siya. Mukha siyang jellyfish. So, sobrang sarap niya. Lasa din siyang pork. Lasang karne din. Mas masarap pa rin yung natikman ko sa Korean restaurant sa Manila, pero yung instant na to, not bad, masarap na siya. Harap. Parang medyo matigas pa yung noodles, pero mamamatigas ba yung noodles? Tama lang. Yun. According to Mudrakels, tama lang daw yung noodles. And masarap din siya kapartner ng Coke. Sarap. Sobrang dami kong nilagay na shiitake mushrooms kasi favorite ni mama ko ang mushroom. Okay, so disclaimer, mahaba yung video natin today. So kung gusto nyo kumain, pwede. So for today's video, as you can see on the title, we are going to talk about famous logos with hidden messages. So number 1, excuse me, ang pinaka-famous, kaya yun yung drink ko today, is Coca-Cola. I have my notes here. So Coca-Cola, number 1, hidden in the O of cola, I will insert a photo, is the Denmark flag. This wasn't their initial intention with the logo. Once Coca-Cola discovered that part of its logo looks like the Danish flag, they set up a media stunt at Denmark's biggest airport, welcoming customers with flags. Kahit hindi yun yung intention nila, since nando na, why not, diba? Number 2, favorite ko din to, na fast food. Masarap yung fries nila. Wendy's. I will insert a photo. Can you see the secret message? Buried in the ruffles of the little girl's collar, in the Wendy's logo, is the word mom. M-O-M. So now you can see the secret message. When the hidden word was first discovered by online users, the theory was that the company snuck the word in there to associate their food with mom's home cooking. However, Wendy's said that the word was unintentional and any supposed subliminal message doesn't actually exist, or at least not on purpose. So, syempre, ang mga tao, mahilig silang mag-imbento. Pero makikita mo naman talaga. Check nyo kung makikita nyo dun sa photo, meron naman talaga. Okay, so next is Beats by Dre. Paano ba pronounce yun? Basta Beats. At first glance, the Beats by Dre logo is little more than a red circle with the letter B inside of it. However, that red circle is actually supposed to represent a human's head, and the B is supposed to be a pair of Beats headphones over their ears. Medyo kita naman tong sa Beats. Parang common sense na ganun talaga yung itsura. Next is Cisco. If you know what the company Cisco does, then you already know that the lines in their logo are meant to represent a digital signal. I'll insert a photo as well of their logo. But what you might not know is that the telecommunications company got its start in San Francisco. And so those lines are also meant to outline the city's Golden Gate Bridge. Crazy, right? Galing. Next is Amazon. Ang mayamang Amazon. The arrow in the Amazon logo is placed with a very specific purpose in mind. If you look carefully, I'll insert a photo as well, you'll see that the arrow connects the letter A to the letter Z, signifying that on the website, you'll find everything you need from A to Z. Very nice. Sobrang creative ng mga nagke-create ng mga logos na to. Siyempre, tumatatak yan sa tumatatak sa isip ng mga tao. So, once na nakita, I know this logo. Ganto, ganyan. So, kain muna tayo before we continue. Okay, let's continue. Medyo marami-rami pa to. Next is GameCube. Every gamer and former 90s and 2000s kids knows the Nintendo GameCube well. And as the name suggests, the logo is nice and simple. It's just a cube encapsulated in a bigger cube, right? Well, I'll insert a photo as well. If you pay close attention to the negative space between the boxes, you'll actually be able to make out the letters G and C in the same logo. Nakikita nyo na ba? Diba? Nice yun. Next is the Bronx Zoo. Seeing as the Bronx Zoo's main attractions are its many animal exhibits, it makes sense that its logo prominently features 2 giraffes and a few flying birds. And for this specific zoo, being located in a borough of New York City is another huge identifying factor. So it also makes sense that hidden between the legs of the giraffes is the city's iconic skyline. Nakakita nyo ba yung skyline dun sa may paan ng mga giraffes? Yeah, ayun yun. Galing, di ba? Next is Goodwill. This non-profit works hard to improve people's lives and put smiles on their faces. And so, it's fitting that the G in their logo doubles as a smiling face twice. Diba, meron parang muka, tapos yung G sa Goodwill, para ding muka na nakasmile. Very good yon. Next is Hershey's Kisses. Everyone can easily spot the 2 giant Hershey's Kisses featured prominently in the center of the brand's logo. But what about a third kiss? If you look between the letters K and I and tilt your head to the left, paganyan, you'll see the extra kiss squeezed in there. I will also insert a photo. Actually, nung sinerch ko tong mga logo na to, na-amaze ako. Kasi sa una, hindi mo naman masyadong mapapansin yung mga ganun-ganun eh. Pero, if you look closely, makikita mo. Next is Tostitos. Famous for their tortilla chips and accompanying dips, Tostitos has perhaps one of the best hidden logo messages of all time. The 2 lowercase t's in the logo represent people holding a chip. And the dot on top of the letter serves as their bowl of salsa. Yung dalawang parang small letter T, nasa gitna nila yung tortilla chip na kulay yellow, tapos yung kulay red na tuldok sa letter I is their dipping sauce. Next is FedEx. I'll insert a photo. Hidden between the negative space of the letters E and X in the FedEx logo is an arrow pointing to the right. Nakikita nyo ba yun? Yung arrow, di ba yung FedEx, I'll insert a photo, may blue yung FED and orange yung EX. Doon sa pagitan ng E at ng X, may arrow doon na kulay white. As Lyndon Leader, the logo's designer, explained to Fast Company that arrow could connote forward direction, speed, and precision. Next is Baskin-Robbins ice cream. Think about how many flavors of ice cream Baskin-Robbins serves. If you don't already know, they serve 31. With that in mind, take a look at the B and R. Di ba puro blue ang kulay ng font ng Baskin-Robbins? Pero dun, yung dalawang tiyan ng B, kulay pink, at saka yung vertical line ng R ay pink din. Yung B at yung R nakalagay is 31. Diba? Hindi ko alam yon. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman na 31 pala ang flavors ng Baskin-Robbins. Next is Gillette. To demonstrate the precision of their product, this razor company decided to cut the tips of the letters G and I in their logo as if an actual razor had done it. Kaya pala nagtataka din ako, bakit yung letter I parang medyo may ganun siya. Yun pala yon. Next is Jack in the Box. Though no one is entirely sure as to why the original Jack in the Box logo fused the letters O and X together to create a fish symbol kasi magkadikit yung O tsaka yung X ng box. One theory is that they were really into their fish sandwiches at founding time. So next, ito malamang alam na natin to. Toblerone. Bern, Switzerland, where Toblerone was founded, is often referred to as the City of Bears. Therefore, when the company created its logo, it decided to hide the outline of a bear in the negative space of the Matterhorn mountain. If you will double check, makikita nyo doon yung bear. Yung parang kulay white. So, yun yung story. Let's eat again. Yan. Napapahaba yung ating... If sobrang magiging mahaba yung video, gawa na lang tayo ng part 2 if ever. So, this is the first time na naubos ko yung pagkain ko ng talagang ubos na ubos. So, ibig sabihin, masarap talaga yung japchae ng McCormick. So, dahil sobrang haba na ng video na to, gagawa na lang ako ng part 2 ng famous logos with hidden messages because I still have a lot more. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope to see you on my next video. So, let's eat more. God bless you all. Happy New Year. Bye!